bumabak ng gusto itong New Zealand.
That was also in the third quarter.
That's right. So we are waiting for mighty comeback para sa ating koponan.
Blanche lost it. Ball is picked up by Coach. Pinupul dito sa front court. Watch out. Edwards slams it home, and just like that, New Zealand is up by 11 points.
Yeah, that's really something that coaches do not want to see. Nobody's bringing back on defense.
Norwood again. Ayaw talaga. Si London waiting na sa scorer's table. Nabitawan ni Edwards yung rebound na yun. At si Miss Apple David, isip mo, hindi ka masagasaan. Ito ni Roscoe. Here we go, Acueva making his way back onto the floor, as well as si Don Ontiveros. Upo muna si Norwood and Intal. Dennis Romeo matalon-talon na sa dulo ng bench. Gusto magpakita kay Coach Stan na ready na siyang bumalik sa larong ito.
Now we need spark, we need energy coming from our bench.
Block speeding, big! Acueva nearly snapped it back. Nariset sa 14 ang ating shot clock. Flash puts it on the floor. Andre takes it strong. Will have to earn his points via free throws.
You know, a good idea. You know, he passed up on that three-point attempt. Dahil hindi ako pasok yung mga tira niya kanina from the outside. And really need penetration against this zone. And try to get better looks, you know, open looks para sa ating opensa.
Here comes another gunner para sa Gilas Pilipinas. Rani Del Ocampo coming back on. Babalitan si Mark Davis. As Andre Blanche is towing the line. Nakakataon to bring Gilas to within 9. Free throws natin sa atin na Smart. Live the Smart life. Intis yun muna as we get this report from Ms. Apple.
Pansin ni Coach na masyadong mabagal ang galaw ng Gilas. They have to be more snappy and make more ball movements. Also, kahit makalat sa labas, they have to continue shooting and make New Zealand respect their outside shot.
Yun naman talaga kinakailangan, Chart, para pumukay loob.
Yun naman kailangan. Kaya nga lang gusto mo, a few passes mo, 3, 4, 5 passes. You know, to try and get a better shot and not just after a pass.
Yan ang isang napansin ko, Chart. Usually, pagka malas sa 3-point shooting, as chants of defense are ringing around the Smart Araneta Coliseum, sasabihin, pagkatating ng late third quarter hanggang fourth, kailangan sumaksak na sa loob. Pero teams like Korea, teams like Japan, teams like Chinese Taipei, kahit malas, titira pa rin ang titira. Tignan natin kung tatama na yung sa atin sa aming pagbabalik.
Nakita kagad natin doon sa CCTV camera, sa footage, na mabilis din po yung pangyayari. And may mga nakita tayong mga lapses like dapat tapos na yung banking hours, sinasarado na kagad po yung pinto.
Yeah.
And second is naka-roll down na. Bagan 3/4 na po na nakasara na yung pintuan nila.
Yeah.
Pero nakapasok pa rin po yung matapang po na hold-upper. Imagine, noon po, isa lang siya. So, matapang po yung hold-upper na yun. For the book po siguro kasi alam natin, mga ganyan kung organized crime group yan, hindi bababa sa 3 or 4 yan planado po. So ito po ay naiiba. Kaya po tayo ay nagkaroon kagad ng ideya na may possible.
We'll continue to do. Ian, thank you very much, and please make sure all our staff are aware of the appreciation we all have for all of them. Thank you. I want also to pay a huge thanks to Carmen.
Andrea Papu.
He's independent on the reefs.
Yes.
You know, meaning no jumps needed.
That's pretty impressive. Yes. I bet you guys didn't think you were going to see something like that coming up. Never in a million years.
Class 3.
What I would say of her.
And I think 2-1 win for Man City.
Actual
H2 deconstructs the world's worst disasters. The Fukushima nuclear plant.
This carefully gathered up material is leaked right back into the ocean.
The Costa Concordia.
The center of gravity is so high the ship will capsize.
The Chilean mine collapse.
This is extremely hard rock, but it could take 4 months.
Examine what went wrong